Welcome to Terapage. To create a review and image task, first go to the researcher dashboard. From the dashboard, open the specific workspace and study where your multitask research activity is located. Next, go to Research Activities and select the multitask research activity where you want to add the task. Once you open the activity, go to Research Activity Options and click on Add Task. You will now see multiple task types that you can add to your multitask research activity. From these options, select Review an Image Task. The Review an Image task allows participants to mark up and annotate precise locations of interest on an image provided by the researcher. Now, start by entering the task name to give the task a clear and identifiable title. Next, add the question or instructions to explain what participants need to review or identify in the image. Under Image for Review, upload the image that participants will review. You can either click the upload area to select an image or drag and drop the image into it. Make sure the image meets the required size with a minimum width of 800 pixels and an ideal width of 1440 pixels. Next, configure the overall image rating. Enable overall rating required if you want participants to provide a mandatory overall rating for the image. Under Scale items, select the rating scale you want to use. For example, you can select a 3-point scale and customize the labels as 1, very unlikely, 2, unlikely, 3, neutral. You can also enable Add Instruction to provide participants with additional guidance for the rating. Next, move to Tag Settings, where you can configure how participants can tag specific areas of the image. Enable Enforce Tag Limit if you want to set a limit on the number of tags participants can add. Use Add Tag to create the tags that participants can select while reviewing the image. Under Comment Settings, use Customize Prompt to provide a specific prompt for participants when adding their comments. You can also use Enforce Word Count to set a required word limit for participant comments, and enable Allow Text Formatting if participants need formatting options. Under Task Settings, use Enforce Total Tag Limit to control the maximum number of tags that can be added to the image. Enable Response Required if participants must complete the task before submitting the activity. You can also enable Ask for a Reason to Skip if participants need to provide a reason when skipping the task. Under Advanced Settings, Limit Who Can Complete This Task allows you to control which participants can access and complete the task. You can also use Customized Points awarded for task completion to set the number of points participants receive for completing the task. Finally, use Add Task Guidance to provide any additional instructions participants may need while completing the task. Once all the required settings are configured, review the task and click Create Task to add it to your multitask research activity. Your Review an Image task is now created and ready for participants to review, rate, and annotate the image. Thanks for watching.